Hi, it's Darnell with D Grill. Today I'm going to be smoking up some turkey wings in the Green Mountain Grill's Daniel Boone pellet smoker. For you who are wondering what version it is, it's the first one they ever made. This is the version that it is. And so, you know, as far as all the special names that they came with after that, I don't know. I just know this was the original. And so, of course, a lot of noise and planes and things are going to start coming around when I start shooting the video. But we're going to push forward anyway. And I want to go through the weather report before doing the actual cook, because the weather always plays a bigger role than some cooks may recognize when you're cooking outdoors. And so basically right now the current temperature is 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The real feel is 86. It's supposed to get up to like 83 degrees today. Let's see, the wind speed is just 7 miles per hour. Humidity is 67%. So it's a relatively calm day, pretty nice. You can hear everybody's out doing their yard work and all that good stuff. So everybody's trying to get things done that they may not have been able to get done earlier because we were hit with a good bit of rain for a little while. And so now is a good time to get out and get some things taken care of. So let's go ahead and start getting those wings together. Okay, so we're inside. Got myself a couple of turkey wings here. They're pretty big, from a local farmer. And before I start to cook, I do want to mention that I'm using some Green Mountain Grill's Premium Gold Blend pellets. I'm going to be seasoning these wings with some freshly ground black pepper, and I'm going to try some Old Bay seasoning on the turkey wings, because if you didn't know, Old Bay seasoning goes great with anything. And so I'm going to go ahead here in the app for the Green Mountain Grill's app. I'm going to turn the cooker on, turn the grill on. So now that it's on, I've got a profile that I used for my chicken wings cook. I'm going to use that same profile for these turkey wings. So going into profiles, I got my profile here for wings, basically doing 180 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour, basically slow smoking them for an hour. Then after that, bump the temp up to 250 and do that until the meat temperature is 180. I know that's a good bit above 165. That's the way I like it. And so I'm going to go ahead and start the profile. And that's started, kicked in. And things are going to go ahead and basically warm up to the desired temp. First it goes to 150, then it'll kick up to that 180. Guess I just got some mail in. But basically going to get these seasoned up, and Lord willing, when I bring you back, I'll basically be putting these onto the grill. Alright, things reach 180. Going to go ahead and put them on now. I'm going to put them on this side because things run a little cooler on this side, run a little hotter on this side. It's just the nature of my grill. I've moved the heat thing around all around and done all that good stuff. It's just how it is. Putting this meat probe in here. Going to get it in deep on this one, down in that meat there. So I don't want to hit the bone, but getting it deep in the meat. Alright, that's pretty good. That's how I want them. Going to let them go ahead and go through their process, and I'll bring you back when everything's done. I don't want this, I'll move that back a little bit. That's good. We'll close up like that and let them cook. Alright, so things have been going for about an hour, 40 minutes, about as long as chicken wings take. And so I'm going to go ahead in and have a look at those. They look nice to me. They look real good to me. Seeing if I can get this came out easy. Let me get that one out. Get a good look at that. Get a good look at this other one here. I'm going to take them in and just let them rest for about 5 minutes, and then we'll do a taste test. So thank God for this smoked turkey wing. It looks pretty good. I'm going to burn right in and taste. Still a little hot. Tastes good. Some good smoke infusion in there. So it turned out nice. And so I think you can even see the meat's got kind of a pinkish tinge to it. Hoping you can see that. And it's got, I can see the pinkish tinge in there. It's got some smoke infusion in there. So pretty good stuff. And I did check that other wing with my thermopen real quick, make sure that it was really well done too. But I like mine a little crispy. I don't like to stop it just at the 165 point. I like mine a little crisp to my wings. So turned out nice. The Old Bay seasoning with the black pepper tastes good with the smoke, real nice. So it's a winner all the way around. So in the video description, there are ways to basically like help the channel, such as Patreon or other, like I think there's another means to give donations and such. There's nothing in this video sponsored. Also, you can find a link to a printable version of the recipe, and so you'll be able to, you know, try it out yourself if you want to. And so with all of that said, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.